What's up, guys? Ryan KidMoto22. I'm back for video 2 in the mod series. We're doing the next mod in the Holeshot series. Hopefully, if you didn't see the first one, check out my mod when we did the front fender. That's pretty cool. It's a much smaller fender and again fits that kind of performance aesthetic. So this one's mod number 2, like I just said, and we're gonna do the side covers. Now, these side covers are super cool. I'm really liking them, and I will show you what they look like. And here they are. So I'm gonna even hold it up right here in front of my face a little bit. That's what these look like. So these are color matched, obviously, to the bike, and they have that very much like FXR aesthetic. So if you're familiar with the triangle on the FXR, which is pretty iconic, they go away from kind of that molded body shape that is synonymous with the baggers to this triangle shape, and it also has this nice, really cool recess in here, which is really awesome, and it matches the bag. So when you see the bag lowers, they also have that recess cut out in them. So that is the next one we're gonna do. This is a super simple, super easy. I mean, like, it's not really an install. We're doing it because I really want you guys to see what this product looks like, and you'll be able to kind of see what it looks like on the bike. But it's very, very easy. I mean, you take the bag off, you pop the one that's off, and you pop the new one on. It has these little kind of pieces here that just pop into rubber grommets that are right on there. It's not really an install. It's just so that you guys can see what this looks like when we go on there. So let's get to that right now. All right, we are going to go ahead and begin the process of putting on those side covers. Again, I just call it an install. I'm not going to continue to call it an install because it's really not an install. But what we have to do first is we have to go ahead and take those bags off, and then we'll put the side covers on. So again, I have Bob here with me today, and Bob is going to give me a hand with that. So we got to take the bags off, and then essentially the side covers pop off, and then your side covers are going to pop back on. So it's really not that big of a deal. Careful when you do that back one because the bag just drops right off. All right, so that opens up the side of the bike, and we will be able to essentially just take those side covers off and put the new side covers on. So let's just do a quick comparison and show like the difference in shape. So that shows the shape of the old one. Go down a little bit. There we go. No, up a little bit. Perfect. That shows the shape of the old one versus the shape of the new one. So flip them around so we can kind of see the inside of them. They mount almost exactly the same. So there's this little rubber grommet, so they're going to shove right in the mounting plate. They're going to shove right in the rubber grommet. So super easy. There we go.
But now you've got more to clean.
Yeah, for sure, right? You for sure have more to clean.
So you can see more wires. So we'll tuck that in later, but just watch, because now you've got wires exposed that weren't before. So we'll clean that up in a little bit here, but
so that's essentially what you got to do. So you can kind of see the recess part of there. There is more there exposed, so we're gonna have to go through and clean those up. So that is the extent of that. Like I said, not really an install, or more or less just putting those on, but I really like the way that recess looks. It's going to look really nice with those new bags. So, all right, guys, that's about all we have for this one. All right, there you go. So we have the side panel on, install number 2 complete. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe. Hit me up below. Again, I keep calling it an install. It's really not an install. It doesn't really take any effort to do that. You're just popping the old one off and putting the new one on. That aesthetic, though, what it looks like, right? You kind of, oh, we can't get it. We'll get you some B-roll footage and you'll be able to see what that looks like. But that is really, really good looking. I like the way these parts look. They match perfectly to my bike, and it's really that aesthetic that I'm going for. So like, subscribe, hit the buttons below, do all the things. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.